Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to get selected option from the drop down. Right, so we have the drop down over here. I'm going to reload this. Syntax error illegal. What the syntax error that we have? This one. Okay, check where is syntax error. Okay, this means this one bracket is pending. Okay, this is gone. Right, when I click on change this function, so I get the value. So how will I going to do this? Let's check. So here I have added select on change value console.log this value, right? So I'm using this. If I'm let make an alert, so we'll get to know this dot value. When there is a function select on change, because when there is the select method, the select one. So I'm using select. You can also pass the ID one also. So I'm going using the select, right? So here if I'm going to load it, if I'm going to write IO, then it's 0, right? First third one, that is 1. If I'm going to inspect this element and check 0 1 and 2, so whenever I click on this like 4 and this, you can get this value and perform the actions. Sometimes when they're in doing any performance, like if the value option is this, so we need to post this data using the Ajax to the controller. So you can use this easy method, right? Just you need to write select dot change function and dollar this dot val. So this way you can get the value of the option that is currently selected, and you can save the data accordingly, right? So this is easy. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. So in this video we have learned on the change of the select box how to get the value, right? Have a great day.